We've got baby grasshoppers in the strawberry plants, and we did not grow them for the grasshoppers. So we have some diatomaceous earth. This is food grade diatomaceous earth. I'll have a link down below where you can get this. And this is what cattlemen give to their cattle in their feed to get rid of insects in their digestive system, bugs, parasites. And this works great for any hard-bodied insect that may be bothering your garden. This is a pesticide-free, organic way of keeping your plants healthy and not feeding the insects. Now, there is no advantage to have a grasshopper in the garden. Usually when you see ladybugs in the garden, there's an advantage because that means that you have a sick garden and that you've got spider mites or some other kind of soft-shelled sucking insect, and the ladybugs can help you with that. So if you see a lot of ladybugs in your garden, you've got a problem, a nutritional problem with your garden that needs to be taken care of. Here, grasshoppers are just a pest. They're a destructive insect, and they don't provide any benefit for the garden in removing other insects. So we just want to get rid of them. So what we have found an easy way to apply the diatomaceous earth is to simply get a sieve from the kitchen, and it's best if you're getting from the kitchen that you have your wife do this, because then you don't get in trouble for using kitchen equipment. Then we just get the sieve and we just sprinkle it lightly across the plants. And then what we will do is just get a stick or our hands, and we'll come across the plants and we'll just shake the diatomaceous earth so it falls down further into the ground around the plant base. And so any grasshoppers or insects, mealybugs, sow bugs that might be down there will get it on themselves, ants, and it will take care of the problem. So this is a great way, very inexpensive, very affordable way to get rid of pests in your garden without putting down pesticides. Now she's taking the sieve and she's using it to move the diatomaceous earth around the plants. You can see that some of these plants are really heavily covered, and that would dramatically affect their ability to do photosynthesis. So we're just redistributing the diatomaceous earth more evenly on the plants so that they do have some protection, but that they're not overly protected per se. Again, getting it down on the ground. So any insects that might be crawling around will engage, we'll get this on them before they actually get to the plants. Now we're doing this in our greenhouse, so these plants will not get rained on. I don't know if you can hear the rain, but it's actually raining outside right now. So as soon as this gets wet, it's going to wash off with the rain outside. If that happens, then you're going to need, you will need to reapply the diatomaceous earth because it'll be washed off the plants. The good news is that it's gone into the soil, and so when it dries out, it'll be effective again, but it won't be on the plants anymore. So if you have to overhand water or it gets hit with the sprinkler or rained on, just reapply it. It doesn't take very much. I think we probably use 2 or 3 cups, 2 cups for this whole 30-foot box, and that'll be plenty adequate. Since it's not going to rain in here, we'll just see if this first application takes care of the grasshoppers. We should see some dried up grasshoppers around, which the chickens will love. And if it takes care of the grasshoppers, then we're good. If not, we'll just reapply it here in another week or two when we see that the diatomaceous earth has come off the plants. This is LDS Prepper and the Backyard Herbalist saying, if ye are prepared, you shall not fear. And if you grow it, what is it? And she says, grow your own and make your own. So absolutely agree with what she's saying here. We're growing our own strawberries. We're going to make our own freezer strawberry jam. We're going to make our own strawberry pies, and we're going to enjoy our garden pest-free by using the diatomaceous earth.